All right, so the agenda for January 5th is we went over the Battle of the Alamo. So, what happened at the Alamo? Why are we defending the Alamo? The grass fight, the capture of San Antonio. If you missed it, you're able to get this done in Schoology. It is there for you to do. And we have, along with the memory test, how Santa Anna gets involved, and basically what he is going to do when he gets to the Alamo, how the Texans are led by William B. Travis and James Bowen, the siege that is going to last 13 days, the Travis letter for victory or death is also in here. Very important things that you need to know. Alright, so the line in the sand, the legend, there's a few videos you can watch on here that will paint the picture of what is going on. So I really highly suggest that you watch these videos. And the final attack. Underneath the Nearpod, there is the Alamo events. Okay, this is basically to help you guys out to figure out the main events or the main summary of the Alamo. This is my key. This is what we went over today. Some good points that you need to know, like the Mexicans at the Alamo. How were they, what were they doing? The army was at about 2,000 compared to the Texas army, which had around 200. They're really worried and heavily outnumbered. The siege, the waiting game for about 13 days, saying who will, fight first. And this was basically Texas trying to figure out if they can even get reinforcements during this time period. The Travis letter, what did this letter say? Travis is trying to find help nearby. Will they show up? Will they not? Will he get that extra help that he needs? And in his letter, he also describes that even if he does not get that help, he would try his best to fight until his death and make sure that he can keep his forces at the Alamo as long as he can. The overall outcome of the battle. What happens? Texans are going to endure a really heavy loss. They lose the majority of the men at San Antonio, at the Alamo, and Santa Anna is going to have the upper hand. So this is what we talked about on January 5th. Okay, so if you have any questions, let your teacher know.